Hello plant lovers, this time I'll show you how to make vertical blinds, especially double line hangers for your plants. I use nylon rope and actually with stainless steel hook like this, because I need to have a very strong hanger that will be able to sustain the weight of the plants when they are getting bigger. First, this is the stainless steel hook. Then aluminum wire. Of course, if you are good with rope knots, you can do it, but I'm not good at it because sometimes I cannot make the balance between left and right. So this is the simple way how I do it. So insert the stainless steel hanger like this, and then usually I tie it with, so I tied the stainless hanger with the aluminum wire. This will hold. Like this. Use plier to make it tight. Yeah. Now, just make sure that they got the same size, because you are going to use them to hang this plastic mounting board. This is interchangeable and you can use them to hang any plants, any of your favorite plants easily. Let's see it in the actual usage. straighten because I use the counterbalance at the bottom.